Good morning, everyone. In previous class, we have studied about three-digit number, how we can add three-digit number without regrouping. So, in today's class, we will study the subtraction of three-digit number without regrouping. How we can subtract three-digit number. Okay, shall we start? Okay, we move to our slide. Here we have some blocks. Okay, we have some blocks here. So we just first find out the number and then we subtract. We first find out the number, which number this block represent and which number these block represent. So first we find out the number. So for finding the number, what we have to do, we have to first write the hundreds place, tens, ones. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. So first we see how many ones over here. Let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. So write it here. 5 ones. Okay. So then we move to tens. Then we move to tens. How many tens, Rod? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many tens, Rod? 7. So we write 7 over here. Now we move to, now we move to hundreds. Okay, let's move to hundreds. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many hundreds? 5 hundreds. So write 5 over here. Okay. Let's move to this portion. Because for subtracting, we need two numbers. For subtracting, we need two numbers. Here we have only find the one number. We need second number also. So let's find out the second one. Here, how many ones? 1, 2. So 2 ones, write it, 2 ones. Okay. Then how many tens? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many tens? 5 tens. Okay, 5 tens. Here I have to write 5 tens. Then how many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hundreds? 4. Write it 4 over here. Okay? Yes. So now we need to subtract. We need to subtract 575 from 452. Okay. So let's start. First, let me erase this. Okay, let me erase this also. So it will be more clear to you. Yes. Okay. So let's start. Here. First we subtract ones. Then we subtract tens. And then hundreds. First we subtract 1. How we can subtract 1? We see here we have 5 ones. We have 5 ones here and 2 ones here. So we have to subtract these 2 ones from these 5. So how many ones we have to subtract? We have to subtract these 2. So subtract it. I'm just cutting it one once from here and one more ones. Now, how many ones left? How many ones left over here? If I subtract these ones, from here, how many ones? 1, 2, 3. So 3 ones left. Okay. Next we move to tens. So how many tens here? We have 7 tens here. We have 7 tens. We have counted now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here we have 5. So what we have to do? We have to just subtract these 5 rods from the upper portion, from the upper rows, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. How many rows left? Only 2. How many rows left? Only 2. Okay. Next, we move to hundreds because 100 is left only. Here we have 5 and here we have 4. So how many 4 we need to cut it down? 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many hundreds left over here? Only 100 left over here. How many hundreds left over here? Only 1. So we have to write 1 over here. Okay. This is how we subtract two numbers. Okay. Thank you.